Well, wanted to show you some proof that it's not all just plasma cutting that we do here at Custom Creations. So I am bending. This is 1/2 by 2. It's A36 hot rolled flat bar, and I'm putting a 30-degree bend in these. So I've drilled them. I've mounted plow bolts. These are basically skids that go on bush hogs, and they wear out, so they come to me, and I'm making 12 of them now. So here's basically what they look like after I've drilled them. I'll turn one of these over here so you can see they don't have any plow bolts in them yet. So I'm getting ready to bend them up. And so I am bending on a good old Harbor Freight 50-ton press that got for a really good price. I think brand new, it was like $700. So it was one of those things where they had a special 25% discount, and I jumped on it. And I have made the little bending die. Machined that and made a little bending die. And normally I don't bend anything more than about 3/8, but I'm being forced to bend this 1/2 inch. And I made this little expanded metal shield because I don't know if this thing come apart or something broke or whatever. I'm worried I'd be in big trouble. Anyway, I'll show you how it works. All right, so get you set up here and show you the process. So basically, just take this 1/2 inch stuff, and what I like to do to give myself a little bit of extra is I go ahead and grease where the bending is. Not sure that does me any good, but makes me feel better at least. And then get it in there. I've got it marked where the bend is. Make sure that we're reasonably straight. Yep, looks good. Whoop. Then I use just a simple magnetic base dial or angle indicator, and I'm going to have to put it on my side, so you're not going to be able to see it, but it's going to go to 15 degrees, and then we'll stop it. And it's at 20 tons. 20 tons to bend that 1/2 inch. Oh, that's one side. To the other side. All right, I'm gonna bring around the other side, see if I can stay out of the way and let you actually see the angle gauge, and maybe show you the tonnage that it's doing. All right, let's look at the gauge as this thing bends and see what we get up to. All right, little one shot of the gauge, and video ought to be done. There it is. I guess you can't see the actual see the 15, but there we are. A little less than 15 right now, but well, that's all there is to it. See, we don't just do plasma here, not plasma cutting. All right, thanks.